दोस्तों, मैं आज आपके लिए एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया में जूनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्ज़ाम में जीके के क्वेश्चन जो पूछे गए थे थर्ड शिफ्ट के एग्ज़ाम में, जो 14 अक्टूबर को हुआ था, उसके थर्ड शिफ्ट में जीके के क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं, वो लेकर आया हूँ। ड्यूरिंग द एग्ज़ाम जो मेरे को रिकॉग्नाइज हुए, अराउंड 25 क्वेश्चन आई एम एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज और रिमेंबर आफ्टर द एग्ज़ाम, मैंने इसमें मेंशन किए हैं। और सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन डेट आई हैव सम हिंट रिलेटेड टू those questions. I mentioned the topics in the last. चलो देखते हैं कि क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस थे उसमें और उसके आंसर क्या क्या थे। जो पहला क्वेश्चन इसमें पूछा गया था कि इन विच ईयर एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया इज़ फॉर्म्ड बाय मर्जिंग द इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया एंड द नेशनल एयरपोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 1995। एंड द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज़ Great Chola temples are located in to which state? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. And the third question is famous Nalanda University is related to which state? The correct answer is Bihar. And the fourth question is recently developed Space Science Museum to display Chandrayaan-1 spacecraft it located in which state? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है हैदराबाद। Then move to fifth question. Myanmar does not share boundary with which Indian state? And the correct answer is Meghalaya. Losang festival is celebrated in which state? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सिक्किम। एंड सेवंथ क्वेश्चन इज माउंट मणिपुर नेशनल पार्क इज लोकेटेड इन, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स। एंड द एट्थ क्वेश्चन इज What does W stands in RBI recently launched ICCW? So correct answer for this question is withdrawal. And the ninth question is first 3D printed humanoid robot is named as. So correct answer is Manav. So we can see that ninth question, first 3D printed humanoid robot is named as Manav. And the eighth question is International Mother Language Day is celebrated in which year? And the correct answer for this question is 21st Feb. And the 11th question is who is National Indian, like INC National Indian Congress President is in 1948? The correct answer for this is Patabi Sitaramayya. And for the 12th question, Sonal Mansingh is related to which dance? And the correct answer for this question is Odisha. And the 12th question, where President Draupadi Murmu did recently inaugurated first global symposium on farmers' right? For this question, correct answer is New Delhi. And the fourth question is Chidambaram Port, previously known as Tuticorin Fort, is located in which state? The correct answer for this question is Tamil Nadu. And the fifth question, new member joined in SCO recent meet. So correct answer is Iran. And the 16th question, ATD award 2023 was given to, the correct answer is NTPC. And the 17th question is RBI Literacy Week is started in which year? So correct answer for this question is 2016. And the 18th question is Tashkent agreement is signed in which year? So the correct answer is 1965. आप देख पाओगे कि इसमें ना 1966 ऑप्शन में मेंशन नहीं था, तो जो मतलब मेरे को ठीक लगा कि 1965 होगा क्योंकि क्लोज ईयर यही था उससे। एंड द 19th क्वेश्चन इज फर्स्ट कमर्शियल एयरलाइन इन इंडिया इज स्टार्टेड बाय, correct answer is JRD Tata. And the 20 question is Swayaram is located in, Maheswaram is located in which hill? The correct answer is Purvanchal Hills. And the 21st question is Solicitor General Tushar Mehta was reappointed for how many years? And the correct answer is 3 years. And the 22nd question is first woman to get Sahitya Academy Award. And for this question, correct answer is Amrita Pritam. And 23rd question, women percentage in Jan Dhan Yojana. The correct answer is 56%. And 24th question, who was awarded with Global Icon Award 2023? Answer is Mary Kom. And 25th question, which is what is the parliament name of Bangladesh? So correct answer for this question is Jatiya Sangsad. And some of the I mentioned in the starting of my video that I am not able to remember, and but I know from which topic they are related to, so I mentioned that one of the question is related to FDI received in India in Q1 of 2023 to 2024, and some question is related to IIT related, and some is related to IDBI Bank. So these are the questions that were asked in third shift of AI Junior Executive exam that held on 14th October.